Hello, and welcome to Tips and Tricks. My name is Jason, one of the training support specialists in the Port Orange Library Distribution Center. Today we will show you how to adjust the mouse cursor size on Mac OS devices. To access the accessibility menu and adjust the cursor size, we'll open up our menu for our System Preferences. In the System Preferences, you will see your accessibility options. When you open Accessibilities, you'll come to the Accessibility menu. We will choose Display, and in Display, you will see an option for Cursor. Here you'll find the slider that allows you to raise or lower the size of the cursor. Once you have the size selected, simply close and continue operating as normal. On behalf of the AT and UDL Technology and Learning Connections team, we want to say thank you for joining us today. Please keep an eye on our website for additional videos and support.